If you haven't heard of Mellow Bird, he's a popular YouTuber who has uploaded many videos displaying what he believes to be a poltergeist within his house that he says is haunted. In this video, you can see him sitting at his table with an Ouija board and an electromagnetic field detector, which is believed to tell when ghosts are near. The EMF detector spikes, and what happens next can't be explained. Who seem too good to be true, but he has also made many videos debunking others' disbelief. Check out the footage and tell me what you think.
Hi guys, happy Halloween. We're gonna try this again. Didn't work out too well last time. I'm a bit like this though. If you didn't see what happened last time, I'll annotatify it up here somewhere. 1, 2. I didn't swear. I don't know. I'm tempted to run out the garden. I really can't do anything with that anyway. Noise is going on. Alright, that's pretty much gone. The power of Christ compels you.
Would you stay calm if this happened to you? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for your next nightmare.